Last semester, I was in a geometry class which gave homework every week in PDF form just like this. Whenever I would get stuck on a problem, I would always turn to AI to create a visualization for better understanding, and it would never generate a correct diagram. Let's see if Maple's AI assistant can do any better. First, I import my document into Maple. Maple then reads the PDF and inserts it onto a new worksheet. Question 2 is the question I'm stuck on, which describes points on a circle and a line tangent to the circle. Let's open up the AI assistant and ask it to create a diagram for this question. The answer the AI gives me not only provides more insight into the question, but it also provides a code section I can insert into my worksheet. When I run this code block, I receive a diagram which is correct. Now, for a comparison, I gave a commonly used AI bot, ChatGPT, the same question and asked it to generate a diagram, but it created an entirely incorrect answer, unlike Maple. So if you're looking for a way to create accurate, mathematically correct diagrams and documents, Maple is the perfect application for you.